What's up guys, how you living? I hope you're doing well today, wherever you are, whatever you're up to. Today is the first hike of what I hope will be many throughout this spring, summer, and fall season on Vancouver Island. We've opted to come to Nanaimo today to a place called Ammonite Falls. I've only been here one other time. It was quite a few years ago, and the waterfall was not nearly as full as it is today. I want to take you along on this hike, show you this beautiful spot so that if you're ever in the area, you too can check it out. And if you're not, you can just enjoy the beautiful island waterfall views. It's about a 30-minute walk into the waterfalls. It's a fairly easy trek right up until the last little bit, and I'll show you that in a minute. But the spot I'm at right now is where we stopped with a bunch of my friends. The last time I was here a few years ago. Here's some shots from there. It was with a bunch of Instagrammers, so everybody's just click, 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 click. As we're moving down the trail, it's pretty evident that it's been a really windy winter. There are a ton of trees that have been fallen either by the Parks Department because they're unsafe or by the wind. They're down all over the place. Coming up to the waterfalls. It's one of the coolest times when you can hear the river, you can hear the waterfall in the distance. There's that anticipation of arriving. This particular waterfall at Ammonite Falls, you've got to go down a fairly steep incline. It's often at this time of the year quite muddy. It's got ropes that you have to use as you go down, which kind of adds a little bit to the adventure. I enjoy that actually, even though it's a little treacherous with a camera in one hand. It's a lot of fun, and so we're almost there. Well, I'm not sure why we waited so long to go and visit Ammonite Falls again. It is an absolutely beautiful place. It's an amazing place to go just for a little day trip, a little getaway, take friends. I guess perhaps it's because it's not kind of in my proximity. It's not close to where I live like Parksville Community Beach is. It's just easy to bring people down here and show them. It's easy to go to places like Cathedral Grove and Englishman River Falls as some examples around my house. Ammonite Falls is a little bit further away. It's a little bit harder to get to, and so I guess that's maybe why I don't go there as often. I don't take friends there as often. But it's absolutely beautiful. Do you guys have those favorite places, those places in kind of close proximity that you default to? I feel like just taking people to default places is fine, but it just means all I ever go to is the familiar. And I gotta remind myself there's so many other amazing places on Vancouver Island to take people. I gotta get out of my comfort zone. I gotta get out of my just little proximity bubble here and do some more adventures with friends to places I normally wouldn't go. Okay, so if different is good, where are the places that you wish you were going that were different from your kind of normal routine? Those places that are further away from just your immediate proximity. Why don't you leave a comment below? Let me know some of the places this summer that you would like to go that are kind of outside of your ordinary. So one of the destinations that's also on my list, but is a little further away than Parksville or Nanaimo, is Montreal. I've been there a bunch of times in the past. In fact, there's some other videos on this channel for there. I'll throw some links up top here for you, but it's always a blast when I get to go there. And this time around, I'm actually taking Charlene with me. So that's a first. She's been to Montreal with me before, but not to participate in this program. Let me tell you a little bit about this program, but before I do, I just have to explain that I'm literally sitting next to a water park. That's the splashing noises you can maybe hear in the background. Yeah, so that's what's making all the noise. Anyway, the program that Charlene and I are going to join up in Montreal, I've been going to for probably about 10 or 12 years actually, maybe even longer back than that. And I've either been taking teens to it, or I've just been going to help out any way I can as a leader, or just kind of serving the people who are there. There's a couple hundred teens who come to this every summer from all over Canada, sometimes North America, and also sometimes even from France, just to serve the city of Montreal by partnering together with local churches and just trying to make an impact. So that's what the program's all about. And I love being a part of it, and I love jumping in and serving it any way I can. So that's where Charlene and I are going to be going next, just in a couple of weeks. So Montreal, a destination that I'm going to soon that I absolutely love, and I wish I could get to regularly and even take people to regularly, but it's a bit of a plane ride away since it's on kind of the other side of the country. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed Ammonite Falls. It's a beautiful place. If you get a chance to go, take it. If you're ever on Vancouver Island, make the point of getting there. It's a little bit of an effort to get there, but it's well worth that effort. Guys, it's your turn now. Why don't you get off the couch, get outside, enjoy creation, and share a little bit in the comments below with a thumbs up. Maybe if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe right now, and share with me in the comments a little bit about some of the places that you love to go when the weekends come, as spring now has arrived and as we're pushing towards summer. It's such a great time to get out and adventure. This water park, these kids are having fun. Guys, have a great one. Peace.